What's the meaning of atrophied? Atrophied. Atrophied.
Atrophied. Atrophied. The term atrophied refers to a medical condition where a particular part of the body or an organ wastes away and reduces in size due to lack of use or stimulation. Atrophy can also occur due to aging, disease, injury, or malnutrition. The result of atrophy is reduced functionality of the affected body part or organ, leading to symptoms like weakness, loss of flexibility, decreased range of motion, and difficulty performing normal activities. If not treated early, atrophy can become irreversible and lead to permanent disability.